Today, I will guide you that how you can go ahead and add any buyer or supplier in your TranZact. So for that, quickly let's go into Buyer and Suppliers module. Once I will go in Buyer and Supplier module, on your right hand side in the very top corner, have a look, there is an option of Add Company. I will select that. Now I will click on the very first option, that is Add Single Company. Now this page will get opened up. Now suppose I need to go ahead and add any buyer. So I will simply go ahead and select buyer from options. Now I need to fill the company name. So I will simply go ahead and fill test buyer 1. Now the GSTIN field, you can fill it according to the requirement. Now coming to the email ID part, as email ID is very much mandatory while adding any buyer and supplier. So I will fill this detail. So it's test buyer at cve.com. I have just inputted this email address for the display purpose. Now in the mobile number, I will simply go ahead and type in the mobile number. Now going to the address field, I will simply go ahead and put address line 1. Now in the address line 2, I will put test address 2. Now I will go ahead and fill the pin code of Mumbai. In city, I will quickly go ahead and type the city. State and country will be auto fetched here. Now in the very below, I will go ahead and put the contact person name. So I will simply go ahead and type test buyer. Now in the very bottom, you will see an option of create company. I will simply go ahead and save that detail. Now this buyer is added to my network. I will simply go ahead and search this buyer, test buyer 1. Once I will select that, I will get an option here. So have a look. On your right hand side, there is an option of edit and delete. So you can go ahead and make any changes by clicking on edit option. So quickly let's click on edit option. Now have a look. You can go ahead and add any additional user from here. The billing address or delivery location, you can add multiple, and in the very below you can also add the TCS option. Now coming back to buyer and supplier module again, on your right hand side, have a look in the very top corner, the add company option. Once I will click on that, I will get the second option of upload multiple companies, Excel. So I will click on that. You can download the template and you can fill the details, and after that you can upload it on TranZact in bulk. So I hope it will help you out. Have a good day ahead.